this is the thing I want to show you first and foremost. Just here, the very, very first one. This is this little, wait a second, let me just show you. That's this instruction booklet just here. So there's so much in this little booklet. It's I think 16 pages possibly, or maybe 12 or something. But yeah, inside here there's so much content, things that you will learn. There's necklaces, there's all sorts of different brooches, there's flowers, all sorts. I will show you these sorts of things, but I'm not able to show you everything that's in the book. So if you head down to our website, this one just here at the very beginning, that is that pattern book. But I do also have, which includes the pattern book, which is this one just here, but this is our Dagger Designs booklet and bead collection. So I'll just show you very quickly. These are the sorts of things I'm going to be using today. We've got 4 different colors to choose from, which I'll show you them just here. This is the very first one, which is called Blue Lagoon. If I open it up nice and big, you can almost see one of those images there at the top. You get a strand of 6mm Aurora glass beads, which I'm going to show you all of these in a minute. You also get 6mm crystal bicones, 4mm crystal bicones, 3 different colors of dagger beads, and some brooch findings, some keyring findings here, and some seed beads as well. Plus I think we've got, there's thread in there, plus a few other extra bits which aren't in the picture, but we do have 4 different colorways. So there's the purple, there's the really lovely florally goldy colors in there, especially if you fancy making daisies. This one's a great one. And then there's that really beautiful sort of tealy colors as well. So just to give you all of that information at the very beginning, the little bundles, they all include the instruction booklet, which I think it's either 12 or 16 pages. I can't remember exactly. Looks like it could be, yes, 16, I think. Then, so that is included. I'll open up the bundle just so you can see everything that's in there. So congratulations to all the people who voted gold. You won. So that's the little instruction booklet that you get. You will also get inside there. Here we go. Let me just get all my beads out. In fact, because I want you to see the gold a little better, which you might not see it on the yellow, let's put a blue bead mat down just to make things a bit easier to see. So let's see. Inside, we've got some Spider-on thread, as always, which comes with 2 needles. You've got 2 beading needles included in with your Spider-on thread. We also have some monofilament invisible thread. So this one is fantastic. It's a little bit firmer, so you get some of that as well, and another needle. So you do get 3 needles in total in here. Plus, then we've got our findings just here, which I'll just open them up so that we can have a quick look at them. We've got, what's everybody liking so far the best? You've got 2 of these little key rings in there, which are fantastic for hanging your little dragonflies onto, or even your flowers, whichever. They're in there as well. This is going to create a big fat mess. I should be putting them away as I get them out. You also get 4 little brooch backs. So already there's 6 projects worth that you can make, and that doesn't include any of the findings that you've got in there. Oh no, there's an extra one. There's another brooch that I missed. So that's 5 brooches, it seems. Then on top of that, we've got 3 different seed beads. So in this particular one, we've got a really lovely light sort of ambery color, as well as this one is probably one of our most popular seed beads, the silver line gold ones just there. So there's 5 brooch backs, yes. Silver line gold are in there, which they're ultra shiny, ultra sparkly. You get those. They're both size 8s, and as well, because they're very useful, we give you some clear, hopefully, I don't want to take the seed beads out of the bag, so my apologies if it's a bit shiny, but if I get them out, they're a bit more difficult to get away. So inside there, you've got some clear AB size 10s as well. So all of these are in there. Now to the crystals and the daggers. These are the best. These are the showstoppers, these ones. So inside the gold one here, we have, I absolutely love these. These are 6mm Aurora beads. So they, if I bring them a little bit closer, hopefully you can see, they're kind of like little crystals, but they almost just look like bubbles. They've got this iridescent surface on them, and they absolutely come to life when you use them. They're beautiful. If you watched my tutorial last week, no, on Saturday, I used some of these, but yeah, they are absolutely stunning. So definitely don't miss out on those. That's that there is your Aurora 6mm. You also get some 6mm champagne crystal bicones. Look how sparkly those champagne bicones are. That's the thing. If you're buying crystals, it's important to get good quality. If you haven't got good quality, you just do not get the sparkle like this. The funny thing is, back in the day, just a few years ago, funnily enough, crystals that came from the Czech Republic were the best. So obviously the Swarovski ones used to be the absolute best. But then the funny thing is they moved their factory to China. So all of the Swarovski ones are now made in China. And after they did that, because it's sort of the Chinese way that everyone shares information with each other, all the crystals that were Chinese made all of a sudden were just a million times better. So you can see how sparkly they are. The quality of these crystals is beautiful, and it's important that you get good quality ones. So thanks to Swarovski for moving their factory to China. Just in general, crystals now are better. And now these are our 4mm crystal bicones here as well, which these ones are metallic gold, which I think they're absolutely stunning. Again, you can see how amazingly sparkly they are. That's all of your crystals. Now, these are the best bit, which I'm going to be demonstrating with these two a bit later on. So I'll show you this one first. These just here, I hope you guys are all liking these beads. I want to see. They are... yeah, so what do you guys all think of this little bundle just here? So these ones just here, they are beautiful brown little... crystal daggers. So these ones are made in the Czech Republic. So the quality of them, again, they're fantastic. They've got this stenciling on them, which makes them, wait, there you go. See that little stenciling? It's like a rainbow stenciling. It's called dichroic coating, which, funnily enough, it was invented by NASA as part of their space shuttle program. But anyway, some clever person went, do you know what? We should have a look at these and put them on jewelry. So now you can get them on your little dagger beads just there. One other thing, don't forget, if you want to see all of our little dagger beads, I put a link both in YouTube and there on Facebook. It's pinned in Facebook, so you should be able to see it. But if not, it's the very, very first comment both on Facebook and on YouTube. That takes you to the product category of all of our brand new dagger beads, because we've got lots and lots of them online now. I think about 60 different ones. So you can see them all from that link in the comments section, not the description. The description will take you to something else. But here we go. You can see some of them in the link in the description. But anyway, these ones are my favorite. It's called a hurricane coating. So essentially what they do, it's called hurricane because what they do, I'll put some of them down just so I can show you a few. But what they do, they mix the glass all together sort of into this mixture, and then they sort of bring it all together and swirl it around to create multiple colors in the one piece of glass. So you can see that there's pinks, there's ambers, there's really lovely reds. These are potentially my favorite daggers that we have. Does the kit make everything in the booklet? Yes, you will be able to make at least one of everything that's in the booklet, Vicky. Yes, you will. So we've done it like that so that it's sort of like a one-stop shop that you can make everything from the one bundle. But yeah, it is also 20% off, and you get the book as well. So those are those hurricane ones just there. I really love those. And then lastly, I'll show you, these are also a hurricane as well. So you can see there's multiple colors in the one. But they are a absolutely stunning sort of, they've got oranges, they've got yellow flecks, there's almost purpley red flecks in there as well. Lots and lots. What do people think? Which one, tell me guys, which of the three daggers is your favorite?